If you are in need of auto glass replacement in Wooddale, Illinois, you have come to the right place. At Cosmetic Collision Repair, we specialize in replacing damaged windshields, side windows, and back glass to ensure your vehicle's safety and clarity. Our services also include assisting with any necessary calibration for advanced driver assistance systems that may be affected by the glass replacement. Additionally, we provide seamless paperwork for insurance claims to make the process easier for you. For a comprehensive repair estimate, call Cosmetic Collision Repair today.